Abra starts with Nico Ilorde, Will Lee, Rex de los Reyes, Alfred Batino, and David Defonso, the reigning MVP. Kabila naman, MJ Hoson, Joshua Roque, Jeremy Mahinay, Clark Derigue, and Daryl Carang. With a rebound. Ahead to Batino. Batino, layup.
Diba?
Mahinay, atake. Still no good. Second serving. And Jeremy Mahinay puts it in. Nico Ilorde, veteran guard for Abra, picked up from Jensen as Rex de los Reyes.
Good pass by Nico.
Di na. Medyo matagal.
Ayaw tanggapin talaga.
Medyo matagal na yun. Well, it was actually the Nico Batino using the ball fake and knocks down the jumper.
Yeah.
Batino kumagat sa fake si Derigue and Batino.
Like a wing. Alfred Batino.
I really like his game. No, Jokno. To Hoson. Jokno on the alley-oop. What a play. Wilkie Lee.
Ganda nun.
Have this play right here. Hoson to Jokno. No. Hindi na-communicate yung depensa doon na Coach Vic.
Yeah. Ano yun? Kamang FA.
Was looking for a foul. Derigue, they have numbers here. Abra and Hoson with
Ng tao si Coach Yong. Parang 5 tao. Apat lang.
Draven Gonzalez is staying on. Meanwhile, it's
Tamang guidance, samahan ng tamang mindset. These boys have dreams of making it big. And as we always say, sa Dolphin Coach Vic, that is one of the...
makasabay sa mga magagaling na coaches dito sa Mpbl.
That's how you develop.
That's my guy right there, Jeff Morillo, with a jumper. 98 or something. 2000. Encho Serrano, stop and pop. That's good. Binigla ako ni Jeff Morillo with a rebound. Encho, stop and pop. And that is money para kay Encho Serrano. 5 points in fan.
Yeah, that was Cagayan de Oro amigos at that time.
Wag mo sabihin na si Peter Naron.
Peter Naron was my star. Peter Naron was my star.
Tucker Molina draws the foul. Corporate na mga liga.
Totoo yun. Nakita ko siya doon niya, nag-tune up against my team which is also corporate.
Tucker. Atake si Tucker Molina.
Can you see that situation?
Bibigyan tayo ni Andrea mamaya ng kwento dyan.
Good pass.
Inside. Oduba will finish. Cross-court pass. Tucker will attack. Tucker finishes with the left hand.
Grabe.
And Derigue able to draw the foul.
He is in an environment with undeniable talent and skills.
One and done. Pero he's
what
really
a pass.
good.
What a pass. Whoa, what a block though.
Wow.
These passes, that's a pass on a point guard, by the way.
Yes.
That's point guard skills.
Yes, he's all-around player. Look at that pass.
To Nico Ilorde, Tucker Molina is either them or playing against them.
Against them, yes, it's true.
Rex to the first. So, Mahinay keeps it alive. Jeremy Mahinay with a stick back. Nung ano ka ba, Coach? Nung kina-coach mo si Christian, hindi ko siya magpatawa. Pero grabe siya magpatawa Hindi ma-open. Check out this drive from Alfred Batino. That's not good enough to stop Alfred Batino. And one ko sa kanya. He never takes these games for granted. That's a nice looking jumper by him. Good challenge by Batino. And Jeremy Mahinay has 6 points. Fonso Dave inside. That's a hard foul from
Parang hindi na yata.
nasa USC na yata si Jeremy nun, 5 points from the foul line. Make that 6-9. Downtown. It's good.
Nice play by Quezon City. Pinch po.
Doesn't work. But Batino with the offensive rebound. And he'll get 2 free.
Makita na team na ibibigay mo.
Jokno. Oh, this is
Another play. Yes, another play. Same yun as the one.
Basta physicality, hindi natatakot yan.
Oo.
Gusto niya yan. Oh. Sinadya mo yun? David Defonso, I think so. Molina. Now Salazar beats Molina off the... Oh!
Sayang.
It's a steal by Hoson. Umere!
Grabe.
Natapik ni David Defonso. Look out below. Oh! Oh! David Defonso spared. Oh, nice. Agoncillo over Molina. They've thought about it now. Surveys his options. Oduba, runner. With a trailer.
Good pass by David.
Grabe, full sprint si John Oduba dun. De La Cruz, turnaround is good. Charles De La Cruz, karangian to Agoncillo. Puts the ball on the deck. Nice fake. And finish.
Wow. It's a good move.
Gusto.
Yes.
Ganda oh. Ganda ng galaw dito. That's the defender fly by with that either here. Raven out to Fabro. Tucker Molina is open. That's a 3 from Tucker.
Inside out, Tucker Molina scoring instantly siya, playing against a bigger guy, syempre when he was in the States.
Inside. That's a basket. Good save. Okay. Yes.
You could say na yung team ng Abra talagang pinanap eh.
Enzo Serrano over Roque. Yung galaw ni Enzo Serrano, hindi na nagbago, coach, no? Kasi nung high school pala, ganun na yung mga galaw niya. Nag-dribble eh. Elorde, drives left. Gusto ko nasa kanila yung bola lagi.
Oo.
Kasi alam ko may mangyayari. Enzo Serrano, right?
When he was,
Either it's not the kasi may may nakakabigwit siya ng foul lagi is getting the job done, but Quezon City fighting hard. Jeremy Mahinay, dado malayo to para kay Jeremy. Sends it to the other side. That's the third 3 para kay Pat Buena. Pat Buena for 3 right between the eyes.
pull up lang.
He checked 4-on-2. Arnie Baldo is in the game. Batino. Ooh.
That was a good pass, good look. By Enzo Serrano. Tama talaga.
Jake Agoncillo nearly took Alfred Batino's head off on that foul. Ito maganda nilalaro. Maganda yung opensa ni Alfred Batino. Oson. Galing. Alfred.
Para magkaroon ng contact.
Oh, watch this.
Yan.
Bababa, palipad pala siya. Well defended by Baldo. Enzo Serrano Bumuelo. Yuto for 2.
Showtime.
Alfred Batino nila. Jokno, runner, good. Kick out. Misfires. Salazar. Chest. Jumper. Yes, got it. Oh, nakikita niyo ang mga mga players na to dun sa solid goal. 83 to 61. So slippery, Ken's Jokno.
At 3:31, laban pa rin yung West.
Baldo,
Good.
why?
Yeah, good
Na ano siya dun ha?
execution, oh.
Naisahan siya tao dun
That's
eh.
true. Tsaka nakaharap kasi siya, mukha siya magbibigay talaga ng backpick eh.
They get a steal here. Hoson lays it in. MJ Hoson. It's down to 17. Labanan ng mga
17 points.
homegrown to eh. Yuto. Nakabuelo. Layup. This unit here for Abra. Jokno fires a jumper.
This is a very good break for them.
MJ Hoson comes away with the loose ball. Hoson will fly. Ooh! But nandun ang kanyang kakape na si Salazar for the stick back. It's just Baldo got it. Arlie Baldo. Pat Bueno. Andun pa rin ang kamay ni Pat Bueno, ni Mantres na yan.
Walang
Buena
ano.
rather, Pat Buena. So Quezon City making a good account of themselves in this duel with the reigning Mpbl Kings. Sumabay pa dun sa sa homegrown unit nitong Abra. He was in there from start to finish. Si Kuya Pats. Alfred Ryan Batino. The Cebuano big man making his presence felt from start to finish for Abra. 88-73. Abra picking up win number 4. They tie Batangas. We'll go to Andrea now.
Maraming salamat sa Del. First of all, Ken, congratulations. You were there in this game from start to finish. Mukhang pagod na pagod ka nga ngayon. Ano, kamusta ka after this game?
Ito, magpapahinga na siguro ng wala mo nang gagawin makarecover kasi may back-to-back games kami sa 23 tsaka sa 25.
At most of your teammates mentioned, even the coaches, na you're still working on the team chemistry. Binubuo niyo pa yung team right now. But after this win, after this really good win, masasabi mo ba na marami pa kaming dapat i-look forward mula sa Abra?
Opo, kasi parang ang dami namin bago tapos yung chemistry medyo nangangapa pa. Before mag-start yung preseason, parang ilang araw lang din kami nag-practice. So, ayun na nga, yung mga natitira, yun, intact na yun. So, kailangan namin ipasok sa chemistry yung mga bago. So, pasensya lang kami sa mga bago.
Ken, yung pagbabad mo sa court tonight, planado ba yun?
Sakto lang.